Hey guys, today I'm coming at you with a programming video. So in this video I will be teaching how to make a simple program that allows the user to put in information and the computer to restate the information at the end on Ruby. Now here I'm at Code Academy, and the first thing to do is to prompt the user. So we will ask the user the question. So we'll put in print, what is your first name? Okay, so now when we run this, it will show up here, what is your first name? So we just asked the user a question, what is your first name? So now we're going to, alright, now the second lesson is to get input. Okay, and we do this by using the action get. Okay, but we're using get here combined with chomp. What chomp does is it removes the extra line. Okay, and that's always very important. Okay, so first of all we're going to declare a variable first name, and a little bit of information here. When you make a variable, make sure your first letter is always lowercase, and you separate the words with an underscore. Okay, so we're going to equal this to get dot chomp. Okay, so now when we run this, it's going to allow the user to put in whatever. So we want the first name, so let's pretend Alex. Okay, Alex. Okay, so remember, gets allows the user to put in information. Next step is to print out the answer that the user put in. We're basically restating. Okay, we do this by printing. Okay, we restate your first name is, and we use a hashtag, the bracket, we put the variable's name, which is first name, we close it up, then we finish the string. Simple as that. So what it's going to do is going to ask a question, allow the user to put in information, then it's going to restate the information. Same thing for this, print, okay, your last name is hashtag bracket, put in the variable's name, last name, close it up, and we end it with the quotation marks. Same thing for this, print, quotation marks, the city you are from is hashtag bracket city, the variable's name, close it up, the bracket, finish the string. Okay, one more time, print, quotation marks, the state you are from is, hashtag brackets, we're going to put the variable's name, state, close that up, and finish the string. Alright, now the whole overview of what this program is going to do is it's going to ask a question, what is your first name? It's going to allow the user to put in some information, the gets chomp, then it's going to restate the information. Alright, let's run and see what happens. I made a slight mistake here. Instead of putting print, put puts, because this would take out the extra line. Puts. Alright, now let's run this. What is your first name? Let's put Ben. Your first name is Ben. What is your last name? Let's put last. I don't know. And you see, it is restating. Your first name is Ben. Your last name is Last. Which city are you from? New York. Sorry for that. New York. The city you're from is New York. Which state are you from? New York. That's right. Because there's New York City, and then there's New York. Cool. The state you're from is New York. Now the last step for this little program is to capitalize the user's information. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the variable's name, first name, right here. First name. Okay? Now we're going to put dot capitalize with a exclamation mark. Oops. What this is going to do is going to capitalize the first letter of the user's information. Same thing for this. We're going to put variable's name, last name, dot capitalize, quotation mark, and keep doing this for all the questions. City dot capitalize, alright, so now when we run this, it will restate the information with the capital letter. Okay, and for state, you're going to want to put uppercase. I just don't know why, but it's what the program is calling for. So when we run this, Ben, last, Chicago, and Ohio. Cool. All in all, I've taught you this simple program that allows the computer to ask you a question, gets information from you, restates it with the capitalized letter. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you liked it.